Hello everyone, this is Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, yummy strawberry shortcake for the summer. So the first thing that you do is you follow the instructions on the Baker's Basic Cake Mix. Again, this only has 2 grams net carbs, and this whole thing when you're done is probably only going to have 5 grams net carbs. You just add the egg and the 2 tablespoons cream. So here's my egg. Here's my mix, and here's my cream, 2 tablespoons. Okay, I'm gonna mix this really well. I'm also gonna add a few drops of strawberry extract, just about 5 drops. That's all you need, is about 5 drops. And honestly, that's an extra step. If you don't have it, you can still make this and it'll still be delicious without it. That just gives it a little bit more of a strawberry flavor. Extracts are always good because there's not a lot of calories in them and they give you the flavor you're looking for. So, okay, and then you're gonna add these strawberries into the mix and microwave 90 seconds. I got the cake done now. Now I have another recipe for the cream cheese frosting. You can go ahead and look that up. But this frosting on this cake, you will never know that this is a diabetic friendly keto strawberry shortcake. You would never be able to tell that by what you got. And if you don't have cream cheese for frosting, you can always use whipped cream. Just make sure you use real whipped cream like Ready Whip. The #1 ingredient in this whipped cream is cream. Those are very low sugar too. And then you can just garnish it with some more strawberries. But this way you have a delicious, summery strawberry shortcake. And it's very filling as well. Whoops. Look at that. And you have a delicious strawberry shortcake that has about 5 carbs total, guys. This is unbelievably good, and you would never know that it was diet. So visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com and place your order today. Thank you for watching. God bless you.